Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D model in SolidWorks software. You can see I choose this drawing. The base dimension is 100 by 100, thickness is 20 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extruded bars, select top plane, select here center rectangle, give the dimension 100 by 100, finish sketch, extrude up to 20 mm. The next part is L shape, rectangular L shape. That dimension is 80, height is 80, width is 80 and thickness is 10 mm. From here to here 8 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Select line. Create an L shape sketch. Give the dimensions 80, from here to here also. Mm. This is 10. Here to here also 10 mm. From here to here 8 mm. Finish sketch. Extruded bars. Reverse the direction. Here we can give up to next or up to surface. Or 18 radius is the top and bottom. Select fillet 18 mm. Select both the edges. Next, on cylindrical part front side, that diameter is 60 and 90 mm, height is 60. You can see from the plate 40 mm down 20 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Select circle. (90 mm). Finish sketch. Select extruded bars. Here we need to extrude two direction. Top is 40 mm. One more direction is 20 mm. Click OK. Select top surface, sketch. Create a null dia 60 hole. Finish. Here select extruded cut. You can give here through hole, or you can give up to next. Click OK. Next, one rib is there. That diameter from the plate to height is 30 mm, length is 50. Select right plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension here to 30. This length is 50 mm. Finish sketch. Select rib. So thickness is 10 mm. Here you can see arrow is upward. Change the direction downward. Okay. In the rub there is R70 radius. Select fillets, give 70 mm. Also one more time, select this portion. Next give the fillets all the edges R5. Select fillet, give dimension 5 mm. Select all the edges. Next holes is pending. Hole diameter is 12, 4 holes. Pitch is 15 from the sides, 50 70 mm pitch. Select this surface, or we can do with the whole feature also. Select hole, ANSI metric, or we can select ISO. Drill sizes, select diatol, here through all OK. Select the surface, give the dimensions 15 mm from here to here, 15 mm. Click OK. Next select this hole, here select linear pattern, select the direction, change the direction. The pitch is 70 mm here. Select one more direction, reverse the direction, pitch is 50 mm. Click OK. You can compare with the drawing. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment please. Assign the material steel. In the steel, go with carbon steel. Can change the color here. Like this, which color you want, you can change here. That's it friends. Save the part. Thanks for watching this video friends. Once again I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me.